Welcome to Geometric Complexity, a study of computational geometry and geometric algorithms. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of designing and analyzing algorithms to solve geometric problems. Let's begin. So, what exactly is computational geometry? At its core, it is the study of algorithms designed to solve geometric problems. Imagine you have a collection of points, lines, or shapes, and you want to perform some kind of computation on them. Computational geometry provides the tools and techniques to do this efficiently. A key focus is on the efficiency and complexity analysis of these algorithms. This means understanding how the runtime and memory usage of an algorithm scale as the size of the input grows. By analyzing these factors, we can determine which algorithms are best suited for different types of geometric problems. Computational geometry tackles a wide array of problems, but some of the core areas include convex hull and line intersection. Let's start with the convex hull. Imagine you have a set of points scattered on a plane, and you want to find the smallest convex polygon that encloses all of them. This polygon is called the convex hull. Algorithms for finding convex hulls have numerous applications, such as in pattern recognition, image processing, and collision avoidance. Next is line intersection. Given a set of line segments, the problem is to determine whether any pairs of segments intersect. This problem arises in various applications, including computer graphics, geographic information systems, and VLSI design. When designing and analyzing geometric algorithms, it's crucial to consider their complexity. Two key complexity measures are time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity refers to how the runtime of an algorithm scales with the input size. For example, an algorithm with a time complexity of O(n) log n means that the runtime grows proportionally to n times the logarithm of n, where n is the input size. Space complexity, on the other hand, refers to the amount of memory an algorithm requires for its data structures. An algorithm with a space complexity of O(n) means that the memory usage grows linearly with the input size. Let's delve into a specific geometric algorithm, the Graham scan for finding the convex hull of a set of points. The Graham scan algorithm efficiently computes the convex hull in O(n) log n time. The code begins by first locating the bottommost point. The points are then sorted by their polar angle relative to the starting point. The hull is built incrementally using a stack. For each point in the sorted list, the algorithm checks if the point creates a counterclockwise turn with the last 2 points on the hull. If not, the last point is removed from the hull, and this process is repeated until a counterclockwise turn is achieved. The point is then added to the hull. This process ensures that the resulting hull is convex. The visual section illustrates a convex hull formed around a set of points, with the complexity noted as O(n) log n. Now let's turn our attention to another fundamental geometric problem, determining whether two line segments intersect. In this slide, we use orientation test. The orientation function determines whether 3 points, P, Q, and R, are collinear, clockwise, or counterclockwise. The intersect function uses the orientation function to check if two line segments, defined by points P1, Q1, P2, and Q2 intersect. The orientation of P2 with respect to the line segment P1, Q1, and the orientation of Q2 with respect to the same line segment should be different. The same needs to hold true for P1 and Q1 with respect to line segment P2, Q2. If these conditions are met, the line segments intersect. The visual representation shows two intersecting line segments and highlights the intersection point. The complexity of the orientation test is O(1). The point location problem involves determining the location of a given point within a geometric structure. Two common instances of this problem are point and polygon and planar subdivision. In point and polygon, we want to determine whether a point lies inside or outside a given polygon. One approach is the ray casting method, where we cast a ray from the point and count the number of intersections with the polygon's edges. If the number of intersections is odd, the point is inside the polygon. This method has a time complexity of O(n). In planar subdivision, the plane is divided into regions. Efficient preprocessing techniques can be used to achieve a query time of O log n for locating a point within a specific region. Voronoi diagrams provide a way to partition a plane into regions based on the distance to a set of points, called sites. Each region or cell contains all the points in the plane that are closest to a particular site. Voronoi diagrams have numerous applications, including nearest neighbor search, facility location, and mesh generation. The slide defines the partitioning of the plane into regions with each region closest to one site. The time complexity for constructing a Voronoi diagram is O in log n. The visual section presents a Voronoi diagram with the sites marked and the regions partitioned accordingly. Range trees are a powerful data structure for performing range queries in multi-dimensional spaces. Imagine you have a set of points in a two-dimensional plane, and you want to find all the points that lie within a given rectangular region. Range trees provide an efficient way to answer such queries. The core of the algorithm involves first searching the primary tree to find nodes within the x-coordinate range. The query time is O log squared n, reflecting the efficiency of searching in two dimensions. The space complexity is O in log n. The visual section provides an example of a range query, illustrating the search for points within a specified rectangle. Computational geometry finds applications in various real-world domains. Game development uses collision detection and path planning, and geographic information systems use spatial data analysis and mapping. Robotics uses path planning and object recognition. Computer graphics rendering and mobile app location services also utilize its geometric algorithms. The complexity summary shows the time complexity for different algorithms. Convex hull has O in log n, line intersection has O(1), point location has O log n, and range trees has O log squared n. In conclusion, efficiency can be achieved through smart algorithms by balancing time and space. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.